Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teacher, parents, and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. On the occasion, there was a birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was brilliant and scholar teacher. He required the Bharat Ratna and was passionate about education. Place of the teacher in the life of the student is after the parents. Our first teacher is our parents who teach to speak. But when we go to school, we learn how to live life. These lessons are only taught by respected teachers. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I want to thank my all the teachers wholeheartedly. Today I am able to speak in front of you all. The credit for this also goes to my teacher because if they had not thought and guide me, I would not have been to express even a single word in front of you all. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to my all the teachers.